Support and resistance are areas where price has previously shown a noticeable reaction. On tntrader, these levels can be marked using the drawing tools built into the chart. Start by looking at the recent price structure rather than placing lines at arbitrary levels. Support is an area where price has previously stopped falling and moved higher, while resistance is an area where an advance has stalled and price has moved lower. To mark a level, open the drawing tools and select the horizontal line. Move the cursor to the price you want to highlight and place the line across the chart. Because the horizontal line extends across the price history, it makes it easier to compare that level with both previous and more recent price action. When drawing support, look for previous swing lows where buyers have repeatedly responded. If price has tested a similar area several times and moved higher, that can make the level more relevant when analysing the current market structure. Resistance is approached in the same way. Look for previous swing highs where upward moves have repeatedly lost momentum or reversed. Place the horizontal line through the area where those reactions are concentrated. The level does not need to match every high or low exactly. Support and resistance are generally better treated as areas rather than precise prices. Different candles may turn slightly above or below the same level, so focus on where the majority of the price reactions have occurred. You can reposition a line if the level needs adjusting. This is useful when further price action provides a clearer indication of where the market has been responding. It is also worth checking the level across different timeframes. A support or resistance area that is visible on a higher timeframe may provide broader context, while a shorter timeframe can show the individual reactions in more detail. Previous resistance can sometimes become support after price moves above it, while previous support can become resistance after a move below. Rather than assuming this will happen, watch how price behaves if it returns to the area. Avoid filling the chart with a line at every minor turning point. Concentrate on the levels with the clearest price reactions and the greatest relevance to the current market. Support and resistance do not predict whether price will reverse or break through a level. They provide structure for analysing where the market has reacted before and where price behaviour may warrant closer attention.